Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah. Openyi machi.
Madam Joseph, thanks.
Nyame adum nanso e.
Nyame adum yo.
Nyankopon ase. Afinyira yin dan kasa nti afihyiapa.
Africa Commissariat.
Great. To ya nim say abeke can say economy or china, but anope ye shall say with the issue of galamsey. Minim say adie ba ko edi bo mu tiri so ma ban was galamsey, and ye da so ka galamsey asem. From your experience and perspective, from government, out of government, as a member of parliament, adie ntimi solve galamsey na ankasa. What is the problem?
One problem. Nka potokasa na make a hydra-headed problem. Problem no insani 9 big. One of the layers in this yatna homa galamsey semno akwenim enti o so ano enti say first ni fear se na na eketu webi no so say wo hwebe biankofo hyehyɛ ne niema omoye ene senia adweno nipa adweno. There are several communities, a lot of the young people crampon workers who fight galamsey cra omo hu dia kan crampon team. And no one dimension. Another dimension, a political will. It's very often the political party na abe for more bino or status or fight here. Both the party na channel a push back. And the NPP no bones party now person fighting no financiers so say one for no start to push back. Now the party now starting wonder about the political fortunes. It be a senior you describe issues, you know. Are there any criminal offense? I dare also 200 more. But instead say be focus on honor. Obon say it be more a formal narratives be around it. A manipa okwa pokunti ano kra no. Yeah, na nsa as ya kitchen nsa egu tree. And so now what the security component. Me kaita me operation Vanguard, we be operation Halt. Security persons for now what small so mon crampon kokuntiano. Ubedu baby ne be compromised. And issues not doors. But interest impossible to fix. You hear a lot more seriousness na the aquatia.
Minim say from 2017 na bepimne. Ye disika bebre ehye mu se ye betimi ako. De ye drone, de ye helicopter, de ye atu, de ye sanyuma nyina no. Why are we still talking about seriousness here? It means that you're serious, and I think was serious, Anna.
I'm the problem, no. All now dimensions, maybe. Dimensions, maybe a AP bano. Who gives me a say, Penifona, equity, and a bit beyond to those dimensions. When we need to those dimensions, and I can't order that and best of we are the police furnish to Jaffa go and coach excavator and coach excavator. And yet they have been results. Breno that appear to be the best way. By a new dimensions, Bano. The bit is alternative livelihood as I can. Obi I said you took galamsey a day, Unya fancy to about 2,000. 2 GD price or catching is alternative livelihood. Umbedia contumbre na 100 a day. Adequate alternative livelihood. It was a tackling of the various aspects of it. Ofa bibi to say ensure say uji di pass even security for koye read ba economy free wa ensure any better. Do here major water reclamation exercise. Into the level of seriousness I was say yeah the second level no. Meaning say yensa aka. President Mills the videos be complaining about it to one or more and we pay President Akufo-Addo who the presidency cried to underline bet 3 times or try and we pay. And now into this new administration they are facing the same challenges. So you hear a higher level of seriousness to be able to get some results.
Say ye busao with your experience. Ade ba ko mienu ben na ususu sanke ya ebetimi aboa ya magalamsey ne swati.
First thing they say we hear a lot more patrols sit through on the water bodies. Me, Kojo Oppong, my imagine is until I'll be do level of permanent patrols on the water bodies. You cannot expect wako prepra where free wabano or more benefit from hono on Bijay. There's a period within which I will hear permanent patrols, permanent militarized patrols on the water bodies to stop for water bodies and also air saying you have to be there permanently for a period to get rid of them. And some about forest reserves in the and no here major assault into the forest reserves and a certain permanent presence in the reserves because the now free mobile on the cop. So there's a period that was to me a day blanket to operations also. Then also no problem I want to say officers nankasa would maybe I grad they get corrupted. And it's the first thing to do. Challenges will, but we have to figure out a way to overcome those challenges and have some permanent patrol, on the water bodies and in the forest reserves, at least for a period, 3 months, 6 months, be what stop beer. Then you can now address alternative livelihood and other related matters.
Interesting. Anyway, that's it. So now, Yenshe, also a Minister of Information. And on the regional block, no, me say adebia yera Jomahama ni say and say or visit Burkina, Mali, Niger. I just say kwa oku ni nyina no ye trying say ebia ye de omubeba ECOWAS. Nkofobia criticize say democratically elected president like John Mahama ni kwan say wode coup for na eba. Ononso chere say e wo say okomu nyina bom because ye no mu didwa. Let's talk about the complexities, especially what abemu ene we meet delegates diplomacy. Maybe a Ghana drui science handle Mali, Niger, any Burkina semno.
Mr. Susa was say no. O mampani bia oba edi kan no we their friend no good neighborly tours. Tubeka President Kufuor by 2001. No Togo, Ivory Coast, Burkina near there. President Mills be President Mahama 2013 or ye be President Kufuor by ye be. Inti no they are normal. Ubi di mampani o kruba kubi aso I was only uniano ma etete ben wono. Wono omo issue din komo fine. They build a good relationship and we are normal. The second part of it is say be a open say ukofa or more. Hello?
Meet you honorable.
The second part of it is open say ukofa or more be a almost free democracy ni mono. Open say ukofa back into the ECOWAS and as the African Union fold. The whole problem kakra wo hot. Problem kakra wo ni say there was a period within which no coups, no military government are very fashionable across Africa. In fact, there be no translating into rebel activities are ABC those rebel activities no etuncha uko DRC side or Rwanda side was still and let's say M23 rebels or might take over Goma and in Zimbabwe if he Mobutu Sese Kumu time, Momuye Ku near there. 1 year careful, ebi musia, other countries share. And until ECOWAS the African Union, our protocol say, you perceive you may move towards democracy. When you be nyadria, your quiet faso tre, your fine faso twaba. Say NPP, a wabe mo ananko for an engineer mahui. And reason your mato abeti in the opposition. That's a democratic system. You know, this for Bombay, Meswan, Ghana for better or Madrid. Now, so when you're careful, now so where you saw common agenda, see in a cut towards democracy in every hole. Now, say, no to be admitted, and now so be promoted coup makers within the sub region for whatever reason, whether it's comments or whatever. You have the tendency, so which me set a bad example. Now, fear may be more here. I was a course in a starting and go back on the air. It's not by me and son and night near calling him, sir. And Nuntina ECOWAS African Union say, she'll be a coup. suspending from being a member of ECOWAS and the African Union. But yeah, man who sit at the table, so a member of ECOWAS. Yeah, man who privileges be because you perceive a forcing and say, "Uncle back to democratic government." Say, "Unya say, oh ma, omun ni so uncle back to democratic government." Now the opposite, "Oh chomba become back there." Now say, "Oh contrary to ECOWAS and African Union protocols." And no, we do so, but in one breath, no. Yes, important. Say, "Obesra, no member engage. Your neighbors, no member trade. There was a call a honey idea, but no member." But say, "Obeka say, yes, I knew I'm back into ECOWAS. You are brass still, or mere military junta, and I enjoy back into African Union." There, me did say a dangerous path I miss your foul.
Now, they say the Anna Koyani say psychologically. I remember Momo time. There were studies, researcher. Now only Ghana for Edim Komwa. Now much say okay, we Ghana for bear tenor. Emu bear 2 and 3 be prefer senka other than democracy no. It be a military based on the near because almost to say Osha Brent in Burkina Faso challenges were hot there. Baby abe sorry no pano yes we be a tomato factory bear 3. We be a factory way we stop it say gold that we free chrome hono nan say Mali or stop it say German for you more where you imagine say anka gold you know mo de omo pay ko or say mo mam sika we. And they are saying say sometimes the democracy asem na ye ka no ebe ma broni na wi akọ but military kakra ba mu no watimi stop am afi o ma gia tum say instead of maybe a $500 million no ebe ma ba be a $430 million bi ni a compensate. So sometimes people also feel say nkofo na ye ka wasema enye democracy no omo ba kakra na ya omo timi boa jeje nyoma bi boa online no but ye democracy ni ntimi nye. So how do we balance it to ensure, say, at least, yeah, the democracy, then we are achieving a better results?
First of all, you know, military government da. Yes, they are more TV so now more kind of social media. Udu eniga fili gaduchi bi dano. I was say abrini abribia ye educate you na ye tell abra na soja buying. Different types of soldier buying, SMC1, SMC2, AFRC near there was Ghana. No, the excesses and the abuses are a cause. And now you can say Burkina and Mali, there are a lot of excesses. The difference is say any democracy you know, who need private media be or those excesses no actually. In fact, already a Kosovo or more in the West Africa sub-region, Russia for Taiwan Machia. There's a lot of Russian propaganda or more push into the only stories you will see about them, sometimes exaggerated. Stories actually say soldier anybody about what transform country not so much. Part of it is because there are no opposition voices. We opposition now did that obeyra. We opposition now ukasa abani Ukraine now kokan. Baby adoba kwa to efiase no umpe. EBS Uganda has said that. Inti I was say educated me anono mo moti asese. Nia wuhu oho nyina ba na ye ode na enese oba Ghana Independence Square na mrantie budget so ho no ye ni na enokre. A lot of it is push propaganda and there are no counter views. That's number one. Number two, there are factories that are being opened and my papa also acquire over ye but because you want democracy montino unya other views. Those other views no sometimes make you feel say and that is part of democracy. And tinyesa what say be a ha baby bonny akoso a ha say ne ho wonti bibi an HSS. Part of the democracy is obetin my papa ba betin my bonny. Yen ha na ya de ya ne say ye drowning out near my papa ni na near my bonny nko an ye be amplifier nti udi agra uti radio echi na TV echi abet me depress say or mine be papa bi ankoso. But there are a lot of good things that are going on. Just say there are alternate voices are obetin. You hear a lot of education. Then yes, so now we say amplify good na e koso wa ha no. Me ka say nyese ye wo position ti aban ye bibi ya e be ka say nye. E bi bibi koso we ya yem promote yem obi en sade we ekoso eye bibi koso enya eno so ye beka. If we promote enough of the good that is going on, and if we educate in particular young people no more who say enye ne wo social media nyina na e no kora we did say the appetite for non-democratic governments no ebeko from democracy ayewo anope wo sorry wa frame me so ma fro and I say ya kasa o tete for so ye see ye ni eno a tete no ye ni eno a won say bibi boni koso kra won to me nka aban wo ni any option bia wo be man feedback and I say o mpe kra wo be system into democracy yeah there was a promote and when the challenges I will say correcting those challenges by a better any day than a militarized government.
Okay, so before say about into Ochina budgeting mono, I want to ask, a dear Papa Ben who John Mahama, why you bit me a cast away there so far 2 months?
Oh, by say boss on your more than 60 ministers. Remember, say you more than 50. The 60 now, okay, no, Mimi Susu say obediso. It's a good thing. Or Kaso obey a few things, economic dialogue, a few near 120 days. But that not make time move 4 or 5. We fear say oh yeah, it's a good thing. Me kaita ma ye ba bemu. If I no control refi. Yeah, the former president Rawlings, former president Mahama Sabren, former president Kufuor Satam no. Yeah, crampo have a forum and no ma start meetings and name more movement in Asia and the Atana now more de bois. Yeah, name is the name of the me uncle Sunye. I think that generally was starting the major thing say propaganda ne yadoso wa bre juma no ho I also focus on it. But there are a number of pluses I'll be to me accountants that was starting.
Argentina Economic Forum no man kona man for my journey ama because minimum when it comes to economy what's your ho ade wa ben intinka mo pe Ghana yi ne yese mo mbra na mo fa ma adwenbra mo boycott ade
na first question is omo invite ya na omo invite you invite NPP as a party you invite minority as a caucus nenye we nkwa National Education Forum no mo ye and this is how omo invite ibisa omo invite political party bia omo invite selected persons and institutions say omobra international economic dialogue do mampeni ba parliament be ka say ni nyina yem be ka ho bi no omo invite yen ya parliament finance committee budget committee economic committee minority omo invite NPP dan me ne deputy general secretary edin commission da bisa no omo invite into the entire I am participating. First of all, the first question is that now omo invite ya na omo invite to be obeka say boycott be anya no kra omo invite me can publicly say so omo invite ya. Of course we have to take a decision say ye be kwa na me ye nko na nka me Kojo Oppong Nkrumah de me kosa meeting ni bia me ka say ye ma ban na so nti say dismissal sa oye no on twinsan on reinstate you. Now, for good faith, that was my personal view. But the fact is that I'm invited you to a discussion.
Right. And comfort to say minority no 2 months, baby. I say, Bibia na mo kan wasem anytime bia mo ye press conference, press release, mo kasa we faha. Comfort just I say opposition no mo amono mo package mo ho enso ase bibia mo kan it say enye na be 3 months ago na mo wo aban mu no mo ka say it is too early to be talking about virtually everything no mo be responding and saying
well first of all media me say obi kan sem che wa taking as feedback until o kan they taking as feedback ye be den ho abisa say de o mo kan no yade a eto asum ana yade a yiyi ananyiyi yesusu say enema bi wo ho the fact say you lose about 3 months ago or so no interest enema bi wo ho ekoso na yim to me nkan ho asem. For example, say what this me say thousands of young people are a form of public services mo aboni bie ni ho yenim say boni bie ni ho a yen to me ntina fie nka say you lose about 3 months ago until yen kan ho asem. Debbie, and was see a so wide engineer to Sabain. abra wo campaign no nyesi na okay fa campaign wo kachre obi a se omoto abama wa wonya kwanya wo mpam wo na impo no wo befa wo nkofo abeka ho na wo ba na start pam wo mfi aban mu a wo ne wo endi ni ye wo endi no kre the fact say you lose about 3 months ago entre say sebi wo de ye second age na nka na yete ho di ni e beka ho asem se te say budget ya ebebe Bank of Ghana they can publish economic data January we say summary of economic and financial data yin ni baby Ghana sika sem jina so we be jina parliament now start kan sem bia enye no kore even any their Bank of Ghana publish here no boy bra yen to me ntina ho nka se nansen an you lose election enti ye be di yen ka ho asem no asudie da yeso say ye be twon adwe jina so say o man pani ni diem dia of minister no kan enye eno any their Bank of Ghana e dia beto abonten no ono anu achichi ni figures bi dia babeto additionally we need to say ya wa be mi fie wochi eni me bi wo ho aye ya ekoyi ne me bi wo ho aye ya ye mistake so oba na we repeat the same mistake nti yentra ho ne hwe na ye the same mistake no ebe man kpofo gidi e wo ye asi no emu ehwan no chine bi na kwala bia be ka so no krompe democracy no nti it's in a collective interest say ye be twa adwe dina so say ade we a wo ye bi amwaye nti jai na fo woni kobe bia beboa bibi ti say say da no parliament na me ka say Subay bia beda Ghana 1966 obampanin fufu bia ba o person spend time be brain no the blame ni predecessor ena me ba no sikeni ho ena corruption ena kada hasi omo etu kwa Nkrumah enom start here fiti ho obi obebe bia so ye cool so we near about the same line eyade aye bi amwaye tizo mampani be jina parliament no the state of the nation address ni na ye lamentation say na me ba ye kada ha me ba ye kada say ya bon say there yeso ye be say ye be press conference a respond so mampani we nya no kre na ye waste time abaning opposition na ye waste time ejuma pa da ho e wo say ye no na ye nko nye nti anu say ye tena dream na so mampani ye no nti na Ghana photo abama fato nchen na fa wo programs fabra ne starting your home juma enti the fact say you lose wa babaye musumi miensa besin kono enkere say enema bi wo ho a esi a eda ye nimpa no ye ntumi nka ho asem ahobrasem asudie da ye so say ye beka ho asem ne atwe aban no adwe agina so
interesting enti nyame adoma a ochina no more expected bibi aye asempa na because I remember 2017 mama ye ni Japan mo say o asempa budget na ye say ye ni agia fi ye wie ye ne say aye bibi e wo ho enti we budget we more expect asempa bi ana mpuntu bi
oh yeah expect to say e bi kan o man sika semu no kre jin na finance minister e de beba Inti American is already in reason to believe say as some say almost numbers be na omode and no be creating impression say buy no money more ma omo share no to me so. Until the first expectation I want to say they will be truthful to the economic records of this country. Because especially we will be creating picture Oppong investors cry. Now they will say investor didn't see Kababeshim. Until first, you expect to say they'll be truthful to the economic records. Second, Union Energy to say I want to buy and I buy that I know. Ofia CSA alternatively when we but they must start pejai. Today buy that I yeah and more CSA pejano. You expect to say buy no or better so. Number 3, Bruni Frebi fiscal program. Etwa JJ besia yebo any budget ankasa ye. Say utie sabrea ubia say you say according to an era of fiscal consolidation. I will say your boy a boss would. Omampeni nankasa can be. Say nunti wati ministers so wati presidential staffers so near there. But utumit teso now so sika wo spend it on the lower numbers no so saying sika no be spending on the higher numbers in the end no e was say aboso na ye bom no you hu on numbers ni mo any friend of fiscal consolidation nti to a wo so be ye free ho no e was say no kra ni nyame anim ni we free ho expenditure wo so be cut no e was say no kra ni nyame anim ni utumi cut sa expenditure na ye hu say e bi abra no bi wo ministers 80 no na o spend 1 billion what would they 60 no so what TFU 1 billion about 800 million and yes what would they 60 no now they are 1.2 billion we say na fiscal consolidation no enye adwuma eno ya there me did say ye hwe anim aban no 273 economic promises last week me ametena se me research assistant ye call through ye kind of bako 273 obi obeka say afie we di kan na so ye 273 na you know oye trofo but agro ebeso a if you anopa you better anam from di kan nti first budget we say obepe so obi hu say emu akese pa and a good proportion of it aban no etu ho anamo e economic policy no any budget no ni nyina emu and finally apart from the abana kasa so kan no eni me bi wo ho a Ghana fo nyina hwe anim in fact abana the campaign bi wo a fan share the manifesto nti Ghana fo hwe anim transport fares send your cost wa no and then abana ye dia so ano electricity bills send your cost wa no and then abana ye dia so ano fuel obo send your cost wa no then abana ye de aso ano aduane bo food inflation uti me of fire kopoko vetin or see in the end name mo be wa Greek nyina no or say translate into food security in nine ba ko say food inflation be kept into how are you dealing with food inflation yakoto aba na uti di hiankofo pa tukuko apomudensem akwan social service infrastructure nankofo hwe nim say ye baby aka ho no m say ya yebi na ni na nso omani ti o mbepese bi aka ho oban no anasesa abrɛ na NDC party no e hyɛ so ombeye de sensa do wo hwɛ nim sɛ ni na budget no mo no behu sɛ o makuruche akɔhoma sika be ma ho kwan mo metumi ayɛ ne sa me gidi sɛ nema wo nyina Ghana fo nyinara e hwɛ nim e wo yaban no ne economic policy any budget or the ba na mani kan bibi
right
e to de bi a ye mankofo ntiase sɛ enye budget nko na ode beba or the obedi kind economic policy aba ansa no the budget no atayete economic policy no the manifesto no ye no o kan article 36.5 a sabre ya wabe yo mampani e was so converting no into a government program manifesto no a party document but we see a converting into a government program the friend of coordinated program of social and economic policies and no one obey afie bia economic policy set back by 4 years no coordinated program ni lebi into economic policy no and the translating manifesto no into actual government working document now if you dey sika na come sika ka ho budget no what they are tied to into documents me anyway na ochina ye hwɛ ni na send ye be answer questions are very easy I know na yen na you need dey try e be bo aban no na dey adwuma
interesting yemfanwie e wo mo ankasa mo party mu den na mo lusu ye
Zabri me did say officially research my kokwe committee na TSC mu a omo ye adwuma regions ni bi so aye omo so omo adwuma nti Zabri information bi available no unofficial media mate me call back me peswa so any polling station any electoral area for edwom for driver for ni agedi nkomo yo mo kekan no informal say my kokwe report no ba ye be hwe say eno an translate ya the national level and answer nye no a but so far the bi ni say your delegate system na ye running no high ema abia obi say MP was say nani what the whole constituency so no by 3 years not delegates one and any warm because we say one home year on the two. And rather than him no be or your card bearing member and participate. So I no crap for CMP Nima 3-4 years in and any the whole constituency so near executives in Kwan. It be a trade say senior you dealing with perceptions of corruption or many answer. It be a trade say your government programs need be na hu here. Name of the here or you pay attention to it. A bit say abino yen to me and responded very well to some of the allegations I'm making against abino on some of your programs. Sans we say be about but send me kind of informal. Okay, committee review and report the 12 on here. You know the congruence between their attitude on the ground and their committee no so the babality. Na yesua mu aba. Na yesua mu aba wi a wo say the necessary reforms. To the be a research we are nobody accord to them. And then can you grandpa okay. We are yemfem making the necessary reforms and corrections. No chine be any opportunity ba ben mu bi mu a yen repeat the same mistakes. Oh, nana say anya ne saa. Obetumi aka say oh NDC be mistake. Kofo bu be fuom, on be 20 am. But I say one castle won't see Bibia, won't correct Bibia, to be much now be repeat the same mistakes. If you won't hear some more reports, Bibia, you be sure be a film.
All right.
Now, yeah, they are correcting them.
Okay, so, sir, Minim Michael Quay, the Beba, but Minim Ashanti region, Chema, wound to me, and so pow, could be so muncheki, Omodian Diaba, the Omoki can be a Mwankasa, President Nana Kufuado, ni posha. Ni tintin a mususu se ewom omo kan ho asem se na Akufo-Addo na push ase wono nko a one man show ka ho omo kan governance nso ekwan amofa so bu oman nso ka ho. They also talked about the issue of even mo vice presidential candidate napo ene ekwan ofa so keka ensembi delegates nso asema okay wo maka. But two things. First of all, in government they talked about Nana Akufo-Addo, Nini posture, some perceived arrogance posture, and then Makamin few be a kind of posture, and then Napo and in Semana all cano. Would you be surprised, say Michael Kwediano, it be to me a PM, but this regional one here, you know, is it something you share in that report?
Well, me baby, Makwakudin Komo. Side issues we are wakeka dia meme kan ho no MPM ho ye ho be 5 key issues and ankofo raise ye MPM ho de omo ye washanti no mini ho ni me de bia until I'm not able to comment on that side or whether it's true or it's not true and ye bia their Ashanti perceptions yield ye baby meme din komo issues about ha say no and only their meme raise ye no but in the end Michael Quay report no na fan say beka Ghana nyina di abom bibi o ho a MPM o yen ho ebi mu Ashanti bibi o ho MPM o Ashanti EPM o ba bi foforo Quay report no beka ni na abom nti dia Quay report no ebe someone upset these were the major issues across the country no and no ebetumi agina so say the no kre ni yemfa enye adwuma nti na me fi ate meka cho say currently they informal. Okay. The other kind of anecdotal, but final one better.
I get it. But finally, Nkofo Susu Senka wo ye minority leader kebetimi aboa looking at posture. I'm saying this because recent report by Global Info Analytics nature say only 36% depend on approval the Afenyo Markins as your leader or you know. But nankem before Susu ebinum Susu say mumu bisa no the way amu debate honorably diplomatic amu understand yeah dragging issues but on point any other key issues be no omu susu say nkawo and other people be and a new leadership numa and kebetimi about so far based on the tools nearby regarding the handling of leadership by the minority side by Afenyo Markins na nkofo ani enso sa what bibi atwa wasum and say ekoba say the Ghana for kan ensisaye bi ba obetimi ahodi forth ama NPP.
First of all, Global Info Analytics as American me who report me I don't like to comment on things that I haven't cited because I told you our site Nkrumah who near to say sample size question ben you be say I can say no what to me nuance feedback. Number 2, despite the fact say me and I you say report no medical catcher say yen obi kan sem chen you taking as feedback near o twasa no tell you onim say na tiatia nti feedback na no na e ba yetumi de tenetene ye niema yen yesusu say so far senior ye handle your niema as a caucus of parliament no sa na wo say handle no say adwinkyere bi ba say yen dane ya kwan bi ani a ibeti adwinkyere no ye hu senior ye de be dane ya kwan
Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah yeda se anope Nhyira FM
na nyame ka ho me ba kuma se ma ba be hwo
Bajomati. Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, MP of Fosse IRB, former information minister, also former employee of multimedia, Joy FM Super Morning Show. Eugene, your comments so far now.